Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. The intro to this video was not recorded. I'm not sure why, so the beginning of the video will be a voiceover, but the rest I will be back to talk with you guys. So if you want to see how I got this rainbow pride look, then keep watching. So to do a really bright eyeshadow look like this, and you want it to stay and you want the colors to really be bright, you have to put a eyeshadow primer. So I'm using this Morphe one, but as you could see, I put way too much, so it's so thick and you see like a bunch of little bumps, I guess, and that did mess up my eyeshadow, but I didn't notice it until later on. So this is my second pride look. The first one I also used the James Charles palette. I'm using it in this video. I am taking the only yellow shade in his palette and packing it on in the inner corner of my right eye. So I'm not really swiping it so much. I'm more packing it on just so the color could be as bright as it could be. Then I go in with this orange shade, which as you can tell, it was not pigmented enough. I used the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, but it just wasn't working. So I went back in with my James Charles palette and I did use that orange next to the burnt orange shade. That one right there, super pretty, very pigmented. So I go over that one and right next to the yellow and kind of blend it in together. See, much better. Now I'm gonna go in with the only red shade, but this is like a true red. I don't have another palette with a red this true to its color, so I'm going to be packing that on right next to the orange and kind of smoothing it in towards the orange. I'm not just packing it in, I kind of want to blend it a little bit, but later on I go in more with a deeper blend. Take this hot pink. I know this is not in the rainbow, but I just think it makes the look even prettier. I love hot pink and I just definitely wanted to incorporate that in this look. So now for the other eye, I'm going to go in with this lime green that is next to that hunter green. And then I'm going to be doing the same thing, of course, that I did on the other eye to this eye. For the next shade, of course, it is blue, but I use the one that is next to like the shimmery baby blue. Blend those two colors together, and then I go in with a very deep purple that is on the palette. And following that deep purple, I go in with a lighter shade of purple. Super pretty. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. So as of right now, this is what the eyeshadow should be looking like. I think it was super pretty. My blending could have been better, but since I put so much eyeshadow primer, oh my gosh, it just kind of ruined things for me. But I still think it looks very pretty. Off camera, I did put my foundation, and then when I come back, I'll be here to speak with you guys. Okay, now that my foundation's on, for the rest of the video I will be speaking. But yeah, I'm just going to follow every single color that I do have at the top. I'm going to take a smaller brush. I'm just going to take all the same colors and follow it along my lower lash line. So now that the bottom is almost finished, I'm going to apply off camera my mascara and false lashes. So be right back. Okay, so not only did I apply my false lashes and my mascara, I did also go in with some concealer and a little bit of bronzer. I'm gonna go in with this yellow right here and this line. No, I'm gonna go in with this. Should I go in? So I'm gonna go in with this yellow right here and this really lime green at the top. It's like a little bit more neon than lime, so I do just want to brighten up the inner corners. So now with this flat brush. It looks like this. This is the Morphe E62. I'm going to blend out the bottom just a bit so it's not like a harsh, you know, just a harsh line. So I'm just gonna go like this. So now to be a little bit more extra, I'm gonna go in with my Aurora Glow palette or glow kit. So now I'm gonna go in with this Helios shade right here, and this shade is green. So I just want to lightly place this over where we have the lime green. And for the yellow side, I'm going to mix Lyra with, what color is this? Eclipse. So I'm going to mix Lyra with Eclipse. So the like yellowish shade with the even lighter yellow. So put that on the inner corner of the yellow side. So now that that is done, I'm going to go in with the shade Luna. And I'm going to go right on my brow bone under both eyes. So I'm going to take that same Luna shade and I'm also going to apply it over here. Damn, that thing is so freaking intense. I love it though. Okay, so off camera, I freaking put on this color right here. Super pretty color, but it's too much with this makeup look. So my lips are kind of stained. But knowing me, I'm not really into lipstick anyway, so I would probably just put a gloss. I swear, I do not really wear lipsticks. Like red lipstick used to be, hold on. Red lipstick used to be my thing because I had blonde hair, but now that I just really don't like lipstick anyway. I think it's messy. Sometimes I think it's like too much. But yeah, oh my god, I can't believe I have this freaking... I've been having this treatment in my hair. That's why I have this. And I probably look ridiculous. But I really wanted to do another like pride look. And I was fiending to do something different than I did on my last one. My last one was just like I was attempting to do the James Charles look, but that didn't really happen. So I do still have the conditioner in my hair. That is why I'm not doing like a full complete look, just the eyeshadow. I noticed after filming that I have on 2 completely eyelashes. I just really cannot find the other one, so we're just going to have to leave it like this. Okay, so I am in the bathroom right now. I do not have the lights on. All the lights are off. This is just, I'm standing by this window. It's not really sunny outside, so you can't get like the full glowy sun hitting me luminous face. But besides the lashes, let me know what you guys think of this look. Let me go back to my room because I hear my brother, yes, he's the bathroom. I do believe I'm gonna go to the Pride Parade this year. I went 2 years ago and it was so much fun. So I do think I'm gonna go this year. I'm not sure what look I'm gonna do. Maybe I'm gonna do this one because I'm really feeling this one. But I would make sure to have 2 of the same lashes. But that is it for today's video. Comment below if you guys like the way that this makeup came out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And please share. What the... Anywho, let me know what you guys would like to see in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Snapchat. Everything will be in the description below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.